we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this type of pasta or shape from Italy. We're gonna be looking at how to say more names like this one from Italian cuisine that too many people mispronounce as well. Stay tuned to learn more, but let's break down the pronunciation of this traditional type of pasta. Round, similar to spaghetti, and stay tuned if you want to learn how to say spaghetti correctly. Let's break down the pronunciation. Vermicelli is how it is said in English, but how do you say it in Italian? Because, at the end of the day, it's what you want to do, right? Let's hear it. Vermicelli. Vermicelli. So you have a stress on that double L because two L's in Italian makes a longer sound. Vermicelli. If you're Italian or you want to sound Italian, but it's fine and correct to say in English. Vermicelli. Vermicelli. Did you get this? Let us know in the comments. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.